So we have tested the new Google's AI model, which is Career Dreamer. Now many people don't know what they want to do in future, like which career they should pursue. Now in this video, I will teach you how to use Career Dreamer AI, and then you can choose which career fits you. Now it won't be too long. It will be a short video, and you will know complete knowledge about how to use this Career Dreamer. If I see that my friend is earning 100k per month by doing software development or by doing business, then we'll follow him. Oh, he's earning this much, I should join this field as well, I can earn that too. But wait, you can't do this. It's because he joined this because he wanted to do that, and you don't know, you are just following him because you want to earn money like him. Now in this video, let's find out which career suits us. Let's jump into my laptop and let's see what Career Dreamer does and helps you achieve your goals or career paths. First of all, let's go to any Chrome browser and I'll type Career Dreamer. So let's open this website. Okay, first of all, this is from Google, so it's good. So I hope you understand why picking the right AI model for choosing career is really important. If you go to any random AI and you just type that I want to become this and that, so its authenticity is not as good as the Google's one. Let's start. First of all, I'll do start new. Okay, I hope you can see my cursor and I'll navigate through. Okay, so what's my current role? Let's type student. Perfect. Now level, I'm doing my bachelor's degree. Okay, with subject area it is computer science. So okay, now it will analyze and ask me about my more skills, so that it will know that how many skills do I have. Okay, first of all, yes, I can do software development, I know programming languages, I can manage database. Next, I think I can do project management as well. Project management. Okay, so I think this is enough for now. If you have more skills, you can type here, like if I say video editor. So yes, okay, I can add my skills as well other than university. Video editing. Okay, designing, maybe not game design. Thumbnail, no, maybe graphic designer. Okay, it would be more. Okay, perfect. Now I've added my skills in Career Dreamer. Now I don't have any experience. Maybe okay, freelance. I do freelance graphic design. Okay, perfect. Organization, Fiverr maybe. Yes. Okay, I've added my experience. Now let's wait a little bit. Creative appealing engineer design that meets class expectation. Okay, this one is good. Okay, perfect. Okay, it's saying that add more skills. No, I think it's enough. Okay, so now my experience has been added in this. Now I can also add my interest. Now I'll do it separately. Let's say first of all I'll do UI UX. It would be more great like I add my interest separately. I want to supplement for creative function design. Okay, I would choose this thing. So it says you have added your interest. More interest, I'll do video editing. Next. Okay, I enjoy the creative process of transforming raw footage into compiled narrative. Okay, technology communicate ideas and emotion effectively. Okay, this thing, both. Okay, next. So this interest is also being added in my list. Business, yes, I think I want to do business. Okay, leave that. Leave that. Okay, now. What is it saying? If I go back again. Okay, yes. So I think two interests are enough. Now let's explore paths. What I have paths. This is the place where magic begins. Now you will see how many paths you have in your career opportunity. Okay, these are the paths. So with only blue, it is database results that many people doing this job. It's more common, and if you see the green one, it is AI result, and it is not too common right now. If you choose the path from like green one, so it's not much saturated, or it doesn't have much opportunity, or no, less job opportunity, so there is so less competition, so you can easily ace the market. So let's, okay, so you have multiple paths. Now let's say I select video editor. If I click on this, first of all, okay, before clicking I hover on this and I'll see what this thing is. It says that a video it's telling the responsibility of a video editor, experience 3 to 5. Okay, if I think this is the job I want to do, so I'll go with learn more. Now its average salary is 83K per year, which is pretty decent. Okay, it's fine. If we scroll down, we can see the spots, like what they can implement in this job. From my skills: video editing, graphic design, and project management. If you are leader of the like marketing team or video editing team, so you should know how to manage. So the project management is the skill which you can apply in this job. If we go more down, so we can see a day in the life, what it means, that what would be the responsibility of a video editor on daily basis, like edit video footage. Okay, appropriate music. Okay, perfect. If we go down more, so it says that area of growth, what I can learn more, like film editing, post production, and I can do collaboration. So I think yes, it's pretty decent. Okay, let's go back. Let's explore more paths. I think UI UX developer. It's 109K per year, which is really good. Sweet spots, graphic design, software development. Okay, I can use these skills in this job. So what would be the role of me as a UI UX designer? So develop and maintain user interface, style guides, and okay, perfect. So let me explain you what a UI UX designer does. They design the web app or a mobile app in such a way that users or customer like attracts towards the website or a mobile app, and they spend more time in our platform. Like Instagram and Facebook, they have been developed in such a good way or in such a good manner that their UI UX designer are really good, and they've designed the interface of the app is in really nice way that we don't know. Like if we scroll on Instagram, we don't know where our 2 hours gone. So this is the job of a UI UX designer. So you can read from here that user interface should be great. Okay, perfect. Areas of growth, UI prototyping. Okay, perfect. The perfect, or I think the main thing in Career Dreamer is you can find jobs near you. Okay, if I click on this, you can see that these are the job posts which are open. Okay, Media Bistro is the platform where this job has been applied. Okay, full time. It's been posted 7 days ago. It's 10 days ago. So you can see it's the job post is applied using LinkedIn, and the company is Snapchat, and how much they are paying. You can see 100k to 176k per year, which is pretty decent, but the competition would be high because it's Snapchat. So yes, it's high. It's a full-time job. They're providing health insurance as well. So I think this is it. You can use Career Dreamer to explore paths. I hope you like this video, and if you find it interesting and knowledgeable, do give a like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading more videos related to career opportunities and AI tools. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.